PF and workfare income supplements are important, but the quantum of transfer and the impact needs to be seen as to how to ensure that inequalities do not rise beyond a certain point. Then merit-based selection is very important, but meritocracy may also result in the neglect of those who are left behind. And there are authors like Barth who have argued that there are systemic biases operating in Singapore society against ethnic groups, women and the poor. But this is again something where we need to do a little more research as to how one can have both meritocracy at the same time ensure that the feeling of neglect is not there, and there are equal opportunities for everyone. So therefore meritocracy is an important principle, but as I said, that it needs to be tempered with equal opportunities, especially for ethnic minorities as well as for the poor people. Finally, I would like to again acknowledge my debt to the UNDP, to the Public Service Division, Civil Service College, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, in particular to Kamal, Lena, Anisha and Deepa from UNDP, Pinge and Peshan from PST, and to Elvin for the editorial guidance. Indeed, it was a very, very good learning experience for me to write this book, and there were hundreds of others who also contributed. Their names I have not been able to mention, but I am again very, very grateful to Singapore government for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.